Hello students, today we are going to do articles part 3 in which we will learn the use of article the. Article the is a definite article. I have already told you that article a and are indefinite articles as they refer to indefinite things, not particular, any. But article the refers to a particular thing, person or place, means a noun is particularized in this article. Article the is also pronounced as the and the. It is pronounced as the when it is preceded by, a noun is preceded by vowel sound, and it is pronounced as the when noun is preceded by consonant. For example, the Indian Express and the Tribune. Okay, so we have just to learn the points here. There is no technical thing, just like sounds, etc., etc. We are just using article before the names of, number one point is before the names of ranges of mountains. Keep in your mind, ranges of mountains, not mountains, ranges of mountains, then oceans, then seas, then rivers, bays, gulfs, canals, group of islands and directions. Okay, रेंजेस ऑफ माउंटेन्स. रेंजेस मीन रेंज, जिसको हिंदी में श्रृंखला बोलते हैं. नॉट दिस इज अ माउंटेन, बट रेंज इज दिस इज रेंज. रेंज इज एक्सटेंडेड to miles. Okay, ranges of mountains, for example, the Himalayas, the Shivaliks, the Dhauladhars, they are always in plural. Okay, then we have oceans, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Then we have seas, the Red Sea, the Black Sea. Okay, then we have rivers, the Ganges, Ganga, the Kaveri, the Yamuna, the Godavari, the Satluj, the Ravi, the Byas, the Chenab. Then we have bays, the Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Bengal. Then we have the Bay of Gwadar. Then we have gulfs. Gulfs are larger. We have the Gulf of Mexico, the Gulf of Guinea, the Gulf of Aden, the Gulf of Mannar, the Gulf of Oman. These are the ranges of mountains, oceans, seas, rivers, bays, gulfs, canals, group of islands, and then we have canals. Canals, the Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay, then we have the Suez. This is also name of the English Channel. Okay, these are canals, name of canals. Then group of islands, for example, the Canary Islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are groups, not single island, but groups of islands. Then we have directions. Directions east, west, north, south. Students, first point, how will you learn the first point? I will tell you. Here we have, suppose we have this map. Okay, this map मैप में हमें क्या क्या मिलता है. आपने ये नहीं बोलना किसी को कि मैप के साथ हम आर्टिकल द यूज कर. ये सिर्फ आपको याद रखने के लिए एक ट्रिक दे रहा हूं मैं. ठीक है, ये ट्रिक क्या है कि जब हम मैप देखते हैं तो हमें मैप में क्या दिखता है, पहाड़, नदियां, समुद्र, फिर उसके बाद महासागर, फिर आइलैंड्स भी हैं, उसमें कैनल्स भी हैं, रिवर्स भी हैं, वो सभी कुछ उसमें है। जैसे यहाँ पर अरेबियन सी है, यहाँ पर इंडियन ओशन है, यहाँ पर बे ऑफ बंगाल है, ये जो नेपाल इंडिया के साथ टच करते हुए जा रहा है ये हिमालयाज है, फिर यहाँ पर बीच में नदियां हैं। तो आपको एक ही बार में याद हो जाएगा, याद कोई दिमाग में रटने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप दिमाग में सोचिए मैप में क्या क्या होता है। मैप में रिवर्स होती हैं, मैप में सीज होते हैं, ओशंस होते हैं, कैनल्स होते हैं, ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड्स हैं, देन वी हैव बेस, गल्फ्स और रेंजेस ऑफ माउंटेन्स। इन सभी के साथ आप क्या यूज करोगे, आर्टिकल द यूज करेंगे। तो मैप का ध्यान रखना। फिर मैंने आपको बोला डायरेक्शंस भी हैं। जब भी आप मैप का कोई क्वेश्चन करते हो, वी हैव टू पुट दिस साइन, दिस वन। ये क्या है, ये ईस्ट, ये वेस्ट, ये नॉर्थ और ये साउथ। तो इतनी सारी चीजें एक मैप में हमें दिखती है। तो अपने दिमाग में ऐसे याद रखा कि सपोज आप लिख रहे हैं कि his house is beside Ganga. No, his house is beside the Ganga. Okay, so you can learn it well. Number 2 is names of newspaper, holy books, epics. Again, I am giving you trick. पहला आपने याद रखने के लिए क्या किया, आपने लर्न किया जो मैप्स में हमें मिलते हैं। दूसरे में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जो भी प्रिंट होते हैं, क्या, न्यूज़पेपर्स, द ट्रिब्यून, द इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, द अमर उजाला, द दिव्य हिमाचल, द जनसत्ता, these are names of newspapers. Then we have holy books, the Bible, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Tripitaka, then the Gita, our holy book Gita. Then we have epics. Epics क्या हैं, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, these are the epics. अब आप बोलेंगे ये रामायण महाभारत भी तो होली बुक्स हैं। Epics may be holy, may not be religious, may be religious or may not be religious. Epics क्या हैं, they are written in the form of in verse form, पोइट्री की तरह लिखे होते हैं, and they are larger in size. Okay, तो ये एपिक्स होगी जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं महाकाव्य। तो न्यूज़पेपर्स के नाम के साथ, होली बुक्स के नाम के साथ और एपिक्स महाकाव्यों के साथ हम हमेशा ही आर्टिकल द का यूज करेंगे। देन स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव names of historical buildings and events, both these things. Names of historical buildings, the Great Wall of China, okay, the Taj Mahal, these are the historical buildings. And events, the First World War, the War of Roses between France and England, that was named as name of roses. So these are the historical buildings and events. Then we say the mutiny stands for revolt of 1857, that was known as mutiny. Britishers called it mutiny, we called it India's first war of independence. उन्होंने कहा ये विद्रोह है, हमने कहा नहीं, ये आजादी की पहली लड़ाई है। तो हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स एंड इवेंट्स, हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स में द वॉर ऑफ रोजेस, द म्यूटिनी, द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, these are all events. Then we have descriptive names of countries, not proper names of countries. अमेरिका, चाइना, इनके साथ कोई आर्टिकल यूज नहीं होगा, बट डिस्क्रिप्टिव नेम्स ऑफ कंट्री, डिस्क्रिप्टिव नेम्स कौन कौन से हैं, द USA, this is descriptive, United States of America. Then we have the UK, United Kingdom, the UAE, these are the descriptive names of country. And then we have organization, they are also, this is not a single name but they are descriptive names. Organizations में क्या आएगा, the WHO, the UNESCO, the WLO, World Health Organization, वर्ल्ड लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, यूनेस्को आ गया, इनके साथ सभी के साथ वी विल यूज article the. Then we have political parties, descriptive names of political parties. When we are using names as descriptive, for example, the BJP, the INC, Indian National Congress, the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, the SP, the AAP, the BSP. Okay, then we have institutions. Okay, these are the institutions. जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस थे वैसे कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की तरह नाम होगा WHO. These are the institutions. Then we have ships and trains. Any name of ship, the Prashant, the Vikrant, then we have the Titanic. These were the names of, or any other name that is that belongs to ships. Then trains, the Kalka Mail, the Shtabdi Express, whatever name it is, we will use the. Then peoples, not people. People is group of persons, but peoples stands for nation. Okay, peoples or nations. For example, the English, not English language, the English. English mean English people. When we are saying I study English, that is language. The English love beauty. Okay, then that is nation. The English mean English people. For example, English is a language of the English, mean English is a language of English people. French is the language of the French. The French mean French people. Then we have communities. Communities के नाम कैसे होंगे? The Hindus, the Muslims, the Sikhs, the Christians, the Bauds, okay, the Jains. Then we have races. Races के नाम के साथ भी article the use करेंगे. For example, the Mongols, the Indians, the Aryans, the Dravids. These are the races. Then we have names of instruments which stand for an agent. Names of instruments, not with names of instrument, but when that instrument is used as an agent. For example, we have pen. When I am saying I am writing with pen, I am talking about the instrument only. But when I am saying the pen mean writer. The pen mean writer. The crown कौन पहनता है? King. The crown stands for king. The plow कौन चलाता है? Farmer. When I am saying the sword mean warrior, soldier. Suppose I am saying the pen is mightier than the sword. Here the pen mean writer, the sword mean soldier or warrior, mean the pen mean writer. A writer is more powerful than a soldier or warrior. When I am saying the crown is not happy, mean the king is not happy. Then you say the bench has decided the case. What do you mean by bench? Bench is for sitting purpose. No, the bench mean group of judges. So we are saying the bench. Then we are saying the crown must help the plow, mean the king must help farmers. Okay. Then we have things of which there is only one in our world. Things of which there is only one in our world. Unique things, only one. The sun, the moon, the sky, the universe, the equator, okay, the earth. These are only one. So today we have done all these points, so you can learn well. All these I have classified into different only names. These were the names. I have just covered the names of mountains. How many points you will clear, for example. Now this is a map. We have base, ocean, sea, rivers, okay. Then in upper part, this is what? This is ranges of mountains, okay. Then we have directions, we have canals, we have group of islands, okay. So how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In one point we have covered 8 points, okay. Then we have religious books, epics, okay. Then we have newspapers and all other points. I hope you have enjoyed this topic. We are not going to cram these points. One was about maps, another one was about printing things, only newspaper, religious books and epics. Then we have historical buildings and events. These are the things. Then we have unique things. Suppose a child is saying, we live on earth. No, we live on the earth. There are stars in sky. No, there are stars in the sky. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.